In this video, I'll show you how to set up Klarna in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Settings section and look for payment methods. Next, find Klarna in the list of available payment methods. If Klarna is available in your country and for your account, click it and enable it. After that, review any requirements or account information Stripe may request. In most cases, Stripe handles the Klarna integration automatically once the payment method is activated. Now, make sure your checkout flow supports Klarna. If you're using Stripe Checkout, Payment Links, or another Stripe-hosted payment page, Klarna can usually be added automatically after it's enabled. Next, create a test payment and verify that Klarna appears as an available payment option during checkout. This helps confirm that the setup was completed successfully. Once everything is working correctly, switch to your live payment environment if needed and begin accepting payments through Klarna. Finally, monitor your transactions in the Stripe dashboard to track Klarna payments and manage customer orders. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Klarna in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.